Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to make Outlook calendar private. First of all, open the Outlook app on your device, then sign up for an account. I have already signed up. After this, go to the calendar section, which is located in the middle at the bottom of the screen. Then click the plus icon on the right side. After that, the private option at the bottom will be turned off. You need to turn it on. Then tap the check mark icon in the top right corner. Finally, tap Save. Now, this event will be visible only to you or only to the people whom you have specifically given permission to see it. Thanks for watching another video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.